Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate what the Today button does in the top panel of Google Calendar. So what the Today button does is it will automatically send your calendar screen back to the view that contains today's date. And the reason that might be important is, let's say I'm working on something in April, so setting up an event or whatever in April. Notice it says April here, and I'm done with that, and I want to automatically jump back to the current week or the current view. And here I am back at March 12th, which is the recording date for this. So it's just a quick way to jump back to the current date, which might be more relevant when you're done editing or adding events that may show up later in your calendar.